नमस्कार दोस्तों। इन द चेन ऑफ मोस्ट important questions for board examination, today I am bring you an important questions for you. The purpose of this video to tell you about the necessary steps for the solutions of questions. Now I will suggest you to see the video. Chapter 8, Class 10th, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. So, dear, here is an other important question for the board examination. So, this is the question for you. Prove that sin A minus cos A plus 1 divided by sin A plus cos A minus 1 equal to 1 upon sec A minus tan A. So dear, how can you prove? You can observe here two-sided this question, and one side is left hand side and the second side is right hand side, and left hand side is largest side, so we will take the largest side, that is left hand side, to prove the right hand side. So we will write here first of all, that is left hand side, and this one is right hand side. After that we will write here just proof of this question, that is we will take here left hand side, and left hand side is sin A minus cos A plus 1 upon sin A plus cos A and minus 1. So dear, this is left hand side, and you can observe here requirement is sec A and tan A. So how can we convert this sin and cos into sec and tan A? Yes dear, it is very simple to understand. To find here sec A and tan A, if we divide numerator and denominator both by cos A, then we will get the requirement. So we will write here on dividing by of numerator and denominator by cos A. So we will get, it will be becomes as sin A, and this is divided by cos A, and next term is cos A and minus, so we will write here minus cos A and divide by cos A, and last term is 1 plus 1, so we will mark here plus, and 1, it is also divided by cos A, means all three terms we will divide it by cos A, and whole divide by, again this denominator is also divided by cos A, so we will write here sin A divide by cos A, and next term is plus cos A, so we will mark here plus, and cos A divide by cos A, and the last term is minus 1. So minus is this and 1 upon cos A means all term of numerator and denominator, this is divided by trigonometric ratio by cos A. So we will get just like that, you can observe here. Now dear, this cos A and cos A is cancelled out. Same way, denominator cos A and cos A is cancelled out. And dear, you know an identity, that is sin A upon cos A. This equal to tan A. And another identity, that is 1 upon cos A equal to sec A. So dear, we will replace these expression, that is sin A by cos A equal to tan A. sin A by cos A जहाँ पे लिखा है वहाँ हम tan A पुट करेंगे, यहाँ भी tan A पुट करेंगे, and 1 upon cos A we will replace it by sec A. So we will write here sec A. And the middle term you will get what? Here you will get 1 and also this is 1. So what you will get after this? You will get in the next step, it is cos A upon sin A upon cos A means tan A, and then minus 1 plus 1 upon cos A means sec A. And this denominator, this is also sin upon cos means tan plus 1 and this is sec. So we will write is tan A and then plus 1 and minus sec A. Now what to do after this step? Dear, this is so easy. We will write this step in just like that, tan A and plus sec A. We will arrange the term. One we will write into last. This is minus 1. So minus 1 you will write here. Okay. And same way you will arrange this denominator also. So tan A minus sec A and plus 1. So it will be tan A minus sec A and plus 1. Okay dear, you will get just like that this step. Okay, but dear, you know another identity, that is sec square A minus tan square A equal to 1. This is an identity. So I think that we will replace this 1 only into the numerator by this identity. 1 की जगह पर हम इस एक्सप्रेशन को लिखेंगे, that is sec square A minus tan square A in this place. And denominator we will not touch. Okay, so what to do after this? We will get here, this is tan A and plus sec A and minus, in the place of 1 we will write sec square A and minus tan square A. After that denominator we will write same to same, no change, that is tan A minus sec A and plus 1. Okay, but dear, here into the numerator you can observe that here is A square minus B square. Okay, here we will apply an identity, that is a square minus b square equal to a square, a plus b and a minus b. But before applying this identity, we want to take the this minus sign as common. सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे माइनस साइन कॉमन लेंगे. तो देखिए माइनस साइन क्यों लेंगे वो हम आपको अभी बताएंगे. तो चलिए पहले इसको अरेंज करते हैं. tan a प्लस sec a, दिस यू विल राइट सेम टू सेम. ये जो टर्म है इसको आप सेम टू सेम लिखेंगे, अंडर ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे. एंड देन व्हेन यू विल टेक द माइनस साइन in this expression, this minus will comes here. So minus and minus plus, and sign of tan square will be positive and sign of sec square will be negative. Means अगर हम माइनस साइन कॉमन लेंगे तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितने भी टर्म है सभी के साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. तो हमने माइनस कॉमन लिया, ये प्लस हो गया और यहां पे हो जाएगा tan स्क्वायर ए, दिस इज पॉजिटिव. तो हमने फर्स्ट लिख लिया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट पॉजिटिव टर्म एंड sec विल बी कन्वर्ट इनटू द नेगेटिव साइन. सो वी विल राइट माइनस sec स्क्वायर ए. माइनस टर्म को बाद में लिख दिया. एंड अगेन डिनोमिनेटर विल नॉट चेंज, दैट इज tan a माइनस sec a. एंड ओके, सो डियर दिस इज new expression. Now we will use here identity, since a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. So you will use this identity in this place, because let us consider this is tan a is a, so this is a square, and sec a it is let b, so it is b square. So a square minus b square, you will write a plus b and a minus b. A is tan a, so here you will write tan a, and b is sec a, so here you will write sec b. So tan a plus sec a, tan a minus sec a. So you used this identity in this place. What you will get? You will get there very easily, that is tan a plus sec a, this is same to same. First bracket you will write same to same, and the second bracket it is tan a plus sec a, and in the second bracket you will write it as tan a minus sec a. Why? Because you will used here above identity, that is sec a. तो यहां पे हमने आइडेंटिटी यूज कर लिया, बट डिनोमिनेटर विल बी सेम, tan a minus sec a and plus 1. Now you will observe here very carefully this tan a plus sec a, and here is also tan a plus sec a, and there are two terms into the numerator. This is the first term and this is the second term. So here is something is common. Common is tan a plus sec a. दोनों टर्म में tan a और sec a कॉमन है. तो अगर आप इसे कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो आपको क्या मिलने वाला है? Yes, you will get, when you take tan a as common, then dear we will get as tan a plus sec a is common. So in the first term you will get what? Here is nothing, means the multiple of this term is 1. Here you can write as into 1. When you will take this term as common, so here is remaining only 1. So you will write just like that 1. Okay, and after that in the second term this is comes out, so remaining is tan a minus sec a. So you will write plus tan a minus sec A. Okay dear? And denominator once again same to same. That is, you will write it as tan A and minus sec A plus 1. Okay. After that, this step, we want to write it as, again arrange the term. That is dear, we will write tan A plus sec A, and in the second term we will write as tan A is positive, so we will write it first tan A, and sec A is negative, so we will write minus sec A, and this one we will write just into the end of these two terms. वन को हम यहाँ लिखेंगे, वन इज पॉजिटिव, सो वी विल राइट इट एज प्लस 1. Okay, and again dear, we will write here tan A minus sec A. This is the denominator, you will write same to same. Now you observe very carefully, tan A minus sec A plus 1, and here is tan A minus sec A plus 1, means this expression is same to same. So we will cancel out as whole term. Now remaining is, here is 1 only, into the denominator what is remaining? Only 1. So dear, after that this step we will write as tan A and plus sec A. Okay, and divide by 1. Now again here we will use this identity as tan sec square A minus tan square A equal to 1. So we will replace this one by this identity. Okay dear? So what to do after this step? You will write it as just like that. Tan A and plus sec A, means this is numerator, you will write same to same, and in the place of 1 you will write this expression, that is sec square A and minus tan square A. Okay, and here you can observe that this is A square and this one is B square, so A square minus B square. Again you will use this identity, A square minus B square equal to A plus B and A minus B. So use this identity here. So what you will get? You will get just like that, numerator is same to same, that is tan A plus sec A, and into the denominator you will use A plus B, A minus B, means sec A plus B, sec A plus tan A, and second A minus B, means sec A minus tan A. So it is sec A minus tan A. Now you observe here, this first term is same to same, tan A plus sec A and tan A plus sec A. So it is same to same. You can cancel out once again. You will get H. Here is remaining is 1 only. So you will get as, you can write the last expression as 1 upon sec A minus tan A. And dear, this is your right hand side. So you can write that this is right hand side. finally you can write that since left hand side equal to right hand side, so hence proved. So dear, thank you and wish you all the best.